Welcome back to the channel, you guys. In this video, we're going to do a Hashflare update. I'm going to make my first withdrawal, and I'm going to go over my game plan moving forward when it comes to cloud mining. So first off, you can see right here that I've got a balance of 0.059271158. And Bitcoin, that's right around $1,000 right now. I believe the price of Bitcoin right now is between $16,500 and $17,000. And we've been mining for about, let's see, today is it's Saturday, January 6th, 2018. We've been mining since December 20th. So it's been a little over 2 weeks. But you'll notice right here, I actually didn't start tracking until the 29th, just because I wanted to kind of deposit more terahash. So I started with right around, I believe it was like 7 or 14 terahash is what it was. Let me go back to my history here and show you guys real quick. So you'll notice that back on the 17th, I bought 7 terahash. And then on the 20th, I bought 10 terahash. And then the 28th, I bought an extra 25 terahash. So I figured I'd wait until the 29th to get kind of some accurate data and get all the terahash purchased that I wanted to purchase, and then start tracking from there. And that's sort of what I did. So we're going to pretend that I'm starting on the 29th as far as my data goes. But I've been mining since the 20th. Records show it according to my history. So from the 20th to the 6th, this is my Bitcoin balance. And what we're going to do is we're going to take 66% out. I'm going to reinvest 33%. And I'm going to take 66% out, and then out of that 66%, I'm going to take 33% of that and invest it into altcoins, and then just hold the rest. Okay, so let me go over to my calculator right here. You can see my history and my payouts. So you'll notice that on the 29th, I got a $79 payout, and then just today I got a just over $100 payout. So the price of Bitcoin's going up, which is great. So payouts are raising. It looks like the fee is staying the same. So it's between $14.44 and it looks like right around $15. So the averages here is right around $14.63. And so we're grossing right around $83.92. And I did the calculations. We're netting right around $69, which is about 0.755 or 0.0755% that I'm actually getting back net every single day. Okay, on average right now from the 29th to the 6th, because this is when I established my 42 terahash right here. And so that's why I've been tracking since the 29th instead of the 20th, right? So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see that I've got the difficulty set at 4 based off of the past 2 years and the averages of the past 2 years. You'll notice in 2015 to 2016 of December, we averaged about, the difficulty of mining was almost 4. It was 3.9. And then the 2016 to the 17th is 5.1. So I basically averaged those two out to figure out our difficulty right here. Okay. And then on top of that, this is my Bitcoin price speculations, my predictions here. And then this is my strategy as far as how I'm going to invest the proceeds, which I just went over with you guys. And if we follow this strategy and the strategy is successful, the cost of Bitcoin keeps going up. You'll notice that my payoff is going to be in 83 days. And I'm going to end up netting in the next 2 years $105,224. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to take out exactly 66% here, and then I'm going to reinvest the remaining 33%. So I'm going to go over here. I've already got it set up. This is how much we're going to take out is 0.039119924. We're going to go back over here and we're going to click withdrawal. This is the first time I've done this, you guys. So let's see how this works. Just paste this here. Perfect. 0.039119924. Perfect. That's going to be our remaining right there. And All right, so this is what it's looking like. Actually, you guys, this states that BTC withdrawals are enabled in limited mode with a minimum withdrawal amount set to 0.05 BTC. So I have to withdraw at least 0.05 Bitcoin. So I'm not going to do that quite yet. I'm going to wait until I double that amount. So then I have some Bitcoin to reinvest back into Hashflare. And then it just makes it easier to organize everything. So I've got some liquid Bitcoin too as well. And I don't plan on selling anytime soon. So I've got some liquid Bitcoin I'm actually going to be investing into altcoins right now. So we're going to wait on this. So I will be doing a withdrawal in the next video, most likely. Probably when we hit right around 0.1 Bitcoin. I will probably end up doing a withdrawal then. This is kind of a good update though, just to show you how the withdrawal process works. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are getting tons of value from this journey here with Hashflare and with Bitcoin mining. Everything's looking great so far. You can see that the price of Bitcoin is exactly right now, Saturday, January 6th at 6:05 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's, of course, 8:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The cost of Bitcoin is just about $17,000 per Bitcoin. So we're going to keep documenting this, guys. If you're getting value from these documentation videos, these follow-up videos on Hashflare, please let me know in the comments. If you got any questions about Hashflare, if you want to go ahead and sign up and get started, you can do that in the description below. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, you guys. I'm just documenting what I'm doing as I'm doing it. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. So this is Josh Elder signing off, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.